and they need to take the first over very seriously. The power plays are on, tries to sweep it. Well, the captain has gone for the run. So there's a runner. I beg your pardon. I couldn't spot the runner from that angle. And the silsila, like we can say, of runners continues even in the final match. Suresh with the ball over there. Dot balls can be costly for the batting side. And Akhil Akineni, very talented actor, a very talented man, has played a lot of cricket in his career. He's a very, very fine actor. The Celebrity Tollywood Trophy is where he scored half a century and was a part of the winning effort, and that's why he's here today. And the third ball struck down the offside, will not be intercepted, and he's going to run for the boundary. And this is turning out to be a good over, and it does cross the boundary line. Very good shot, very good timing.
The first one, gentle push, and Akhil wouldn't have thought that will go to the boundary.
Absolutely, SJ. Sunil and Sachin Joshi, the two-man I'm proud to talk about, because whenever I've complimented Sachin Joshi, he's hit it big. But it's cricket we're talking about today, and he's facing the penultimate ball. Looking for a single, but unable to get it.
It's very important for Akhil to get a good start here for his team. Though the target is not much, but still it's a pressure. The more dot balls, put pressure on the batsman to play a silly shots. I think Suresh has started off well in this first over by bowling 3 dot balls. And see what he has with the last one.
Well, he's hit that big, and will it cross the park? Well, that's a big one. Ends the over with a sixer. Very good start for the Telugu Warriors. And after the over ki shuruaat.
This is absolutely interesting to see how Manikuttan is going to start the proceedings.
संयम, परिपक्व और सहनशील पारी खेलने की जरूरत है. धैर्य से काम लेना होगा, अपने वर्च्यूज को बेकन करना होगा, क्योंकि ये फाइनल मुकाबला है 7वें सीसीएल संस्करण का. और ये देखिए फैंस अलग ही रंग में नजर आते हुए. थोड़ा बहुत उनका हेयर स्टाइल नारायण से मिल रहा है. अगर नारायण 10 साल के बाद हैदराबाद में मैच देखने आते हैं तो शायद हेयर स्टाइल तो नारायण की तरह है, पर मूछें बिल्कुल कुंभकर्ण की तरह. इसको कहते हैं फैन. और ये फिर कोशिश एक क्विक सिंगल उठाने की, पर कप्तान काफी सतर्क होकर खेल रहे हैं. जानते हैं कि इस वक्त कोई भी विकेट गिरी तो हौसले जो अभी बुलंद नजर आ रहे हैं वो डिप कर सकते हैं. वो ये जानते हैं कि इस मैच की अहमियत क्या है. अखिल सुपरस्टार फैमिली से और सुपरस्टार क्रिकेटर मणिकुत्तन को कंसंट्रेशन दिखानी होगी, लाइन और लेंथ पर ध्यान देना होगा. और ये बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश, और ये मिसफील्ड, इसका खामियाजा भुगतना होगा. 2 रन मिल सकते हैं यहां पे, और 2 रन मिले. 71 रन की दरकार है यहां पे. 51 गेंदें बची हैं. कुशन तो काफी है सुनील, पर गलतियों का भी कुशन काफी है ना.
बिल्कुल विनीत, एब्सोल्युटली. Akhil is in all aggressive mode. You can look at that, the way we got it. It's a fumble. If Kerala Strikers has to win this finals, they need to be very, very sharp in fielding and even in the bowling as well. Otherwise, this Akhil and his team will take away this final.
मिसफील्ड के बाद बॉलर का रिएक्शन इतना चैरिटेबल नहीं था, और ये बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश नाकाम रहे. और डॉट बॉल्स इस मुकाम पर अनिवार्य नहीं है, भारी पड़ सकती हैं. ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है टोटल. विकेट्स भी हाथ में हैं, और हौसले भी, और क्राउड का सपोर्ट भी. लाइट्स के अंदर ये मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है और विजेता टीम आज चैन की नींद सोएगी और रनर्स आपको खैर एक ही नसीहत दे सकते हैं, बेटर लक नेक्स्ट टाइम।
Very true. Akhil, the proceedings. Time nicely. Will he get a boundary? Yes. Very well timed the boundary from Akhil. Did not hit hard. Just managed to get a good timing.
ऑफ साइड पर एक बेहतरीन शॉट खेला सचिन जोशी।
Look at that. That's a beautiful timing. Akhil, as he leads from the front.
खूबसूरत शॉट, कप्तानी शॉट और सचिन जोशी अभी एक रन पर ही अटके हुए हैं। उनको भुलाना होगा कि पिछले मुकाबले में वो डक पर आउट हुए थे। लास्ट गेंद है दूसरे ओवर की, पावर प्ले चल रहा है और यही चौके छक्के एक पावर प्ले की अहमियत बढ़ाते हैं। स्ट्रेटेजिक होते हैं ये ओवर्स, यहाँ पर स्कोर करना बहुत जरूरी है। 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 18 रन है और कोई भी विकेट नहीं गिरा है। सिचुएशन में आता है तो प्रेशर होना अनिवार्य है, जाहिर सी बात है। और ये कोशिश करी शॉट खेलने की बड़ा, पर एक ही रन मिल पाएगा यहाँ पे ऑन साइड की ओर। और कप्तान की बात कर रहे थे हम, लीड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट इज समथिंग दैट इज नॉट न्यू टू अखिल। He's always been in command of every situation and the confidence that he oozes, even in situations which are perhaps not that conducive to the cause of his team, is commendable. While he's assessing the field placement, remember the power play is still on and only 2 fielders at the boundary. Rest of the fielders inside the circle.
He's looking at the avenues to get boundaries in this over. It's a power play.
Well, again attempting to hit that big. The fielder gets to it, they will get a single run. Running between the wickets is perhaps one of the key indicators of a team's success in CCL, Sunil.
The two teams which they have playing in the finals, they have shown that what and why they are in the finals. They have done the basic things right: bowling dot balls, picking up wickets, getting partnerships, and hitting the ball very well.
Well, the southpaw anticipating the ball and gets a wide, and that's adding another run and takes the total to 21. While he's looking at his captain, perhaps there's some communication going on between the two of them, जिसको कहते हैं ना आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया। चौके छक्के इतने मारे कि मैच हमारा हो गया।
Absolutely, that's a good one. You can see some popcorns, the fans. That's the one Sachin is looking for. Can he boundary? Though he didn't time it well, but still managed to get the boundary.
And a welcome boundary. He's been a little hesitant. He's been a little held back. This is perhaps the shot that will reiterate the fact that Sachin Joshi is a match winner. Well, he did not give too much thought into that particular shot, but unlucky for the Kerala strikers as it makes it home. So 3 balls remaining in the power play. Very crucial to get as many runs as possible. Misses it this time.
That's a good comeback from Shafiq, but it doesn't serve the purpose. The Kerala strikers need to pick up wickets if at all they want to win this competition and put their name on that glittering trophy. Otherwise, Telugu Warriors will take away this T10 Blast, this year's of trophy, and they will keep it at their home safely.
Well, that was the penultimate ball of the 3rd over. Just one more ball remaining in the power play. They perhaps want to end it with a bang. 7 runs have gone off this over, and no wicket has come by the strikers' way. An early breakthrough will actually reiterate the fact that they can come back into this game. It's a defendable total as long as they keep getting wickets at regular intervals, and this is what they're playing for. On the right, it's the winner's trophy, which fades into oblivion so far because they have to earn their stripes. They have to earn this trophy. And Sachin Joshi. Well, that's a wicket that's gone, an important wicket at that. Sachin Joshi trying to hit that one big, and a good comeback from Shafiq. And the Kerala Strikers get their first breakthrough. And after 3 overs, it's 25 for the loss of 1.